All right, hello everyone. So welcome to Unit 4, and this is all about understanding the SAP Payroll driver or the calc program, and this is going to be without the context of PCC. So I do think it's important, whether you're using PCC or not, to really understand how this works behind the scenes and what some of these variables and things are, and so we're going to get into that. I know in previous units I've shown it kind of under the context of the control record or under the schema and the unit before that. So now we're going to hopefully bring some of these things together to understand the payroll calc program. And so the first thing is, as you've seen in other units, the transaction code cheat sheet. And so in this case I have PC00 underscore M, and then I have XX, which is based upon the country ID we're running. So for US that is 10, for Germany that's 01. What you can do is if you want to know a specific country version, look up MOLGA in SAP. So MOLGA. You can Google that and you'll find results for this. I think I have a list of 1 through 10 in an upcoming slide as well. This next slide actually. And part of what I want to show is actually you can use a menu shortcut to access all of the payroll specific programs that you have for this. So PC10, for example, will bring up this menu shortcut that I have right here. And then it actually gives me the key programs that I need for payroll for that. And you'll notice I have this PC00 underscore M10 underscore calc simu. So this is the payroll program, but simulation only, so it won't create any results.